So a lot of chat today, of course, about the record heat that we've been seeing.
Yeah.
But another headline tonight is that you saw some decent storms here, Natalie.
So if you're going to move to Tampa, you got to be cool with this. That summertime pattern when we get those showers and storms. I will tell you tonight, activity that bubbled up after sunset did continue to move further inland and stay east of that I-75 corridor. But starting tomorrow, we're getting right back into that pattern where some of that activity will be trying to push its way back off to the Gulf Coast. I have been watching a really strong storm that was just east of Lake Wales tonight in far eastern Polk County that is continuing to push out of Polk County as we speak, and it's actually starting to weaken. But I know you're seeing several lightning strikes if you're in Lakeland and you look to the east. We've seen numerous lightning strikes really for the past few hours at this point. Right where our east and west coast sea breeze boundaries collided, which was again right in our inland locations, we had additional thunderstorm activity bubble up southern parts of Polk County down into Hardy and northern DeSoto as well. And I will tell you, over the last 30 minutes, I'm seeing some pretty quick weakening with this storm. There is still some frequent cloud to ground lightning just north of Kinsey, south of Wauchula, near Highway 17. But again, all that is coming to an end. Some of that has been almost stationary at certain points. This is live right now from our downtown Tampa camera, our visitTampaBay.com camera. And right off towards the south there, I have been seeing some of those lightning strikes from that storm over in Hardy County. But as mentioned, that has been decreasing over the past 30 minutes because that storm is weakening. Now here in Tampa, things are as quiet as can be, but as warm as can be. 86 feels more like 95 on your skin. We're going to keep that warm trend even over the next couple of hours. It is going to be a slow and steady cool down. You can actually see in our inland locations where things have cooled down just a little bit quicker tonight because we had those showers and storms drop down those temperatures. But overnight through tomorrow morning, upper 70s, lower 80s will be the main trend to kick off your Tuesday. And that will lead to some pretty quick warming, once again climbing near the mid 90s by tomorrow afternoon. But moisture is continuing to increase over the next couple of days. So that gives us better rain chances, and they become more scattered. The potential to see them, the coverage area becomes more numerous as we go through the middle of the week and even into your upcoming weekend. I think that increases gradually between now and Wednesday. A little brief slot of drier air sneaks in on Thursday. That tries to cut down on our rain chances, but then it does pick right back up when it comes to our rain coverage by the end of the week and into your upcoming weekend. But let's talk about the next 48 hours. Again, quieting things down tonight. I think after midnight, a lot of that rain out there will be shutting down. Overnight through tomorrow morning, a quiet start. Tomorrow afternoon, a few areas along the coast could see some isolated showers bubble up, but that becomes more scattered inland. We're right back in that summertime pattern where anything that does bubble up after sunset will try to push its way back out towards the coast late tomorrow night and then completely wrap up by 11 o'clock, maybe even midnight. I think we'll start off Wednesday very, very similar. We'll start off very quiet, a few coastal showers possible in the early afternoon, but a 60% chance, a 60 to almost 70% chance to see better coverage, numerous showers and storms, and again, all of that pushing back out towards the coast by the end of the night. When all is said and done, some of that rain could be excessive at times, so I'm going to be watching out for the potential of flooding or maybe even flash flooding, not only on Tuesday from some of those heavier downpours, but even along the coastline come Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening as well. There's a marginal risk some of those downpours could be on the heavier side with excessive rainfall, so that's what we'll be watching out for. Otherwise, daytime highs staying hot and steamy in those mid 90s.